right, so we got the exhaust off. It's a little bit challenging, lots of tight spaces, especially up by the downpipes. It's very hard to get some tools in there because you're gonna need all kinds of extensions and swivels to actually get to the nuts. But once you figure that out, it's not that bad. There's actually 3 bolts on them, and you can only easily see 2 of them. So you have to make sure you get that last 3rd and final bolt. I took the little heat shields off up here by the axles, which give you a lot more room to get into that area. So I definitely recommend you do that. And then, you know, just work your way back on the exhaust all the way. And then we dropped the back half of the exhaust, split it here at the mid pipe, took that part out, and then we're able to finesse the downpipes out. Now that that's all taken care of, we're gonna get the new Valvetronic exhaust setup in the car and ready to run. Since we're out in Arizona and we're not with all of our normal tools, we've had to contract some extensions and swivels together to get these downpipe bolts out. So we're doing the best with what we got, and we're gonna just tighten them up right now.
No purchase necessary. Void where prohibited. See official rules for details.